To help us here with the diagnosis, there are a couple of AI solutions out there. We call them context-based image retrieval systems, which help us to search specifically for information on what we see on our screen. And there are solutions from Siemens as well as from ContextFlow and probably also from other vendors. And what they have in common is that they help us to identify certain disease patterns on a CT scan and then provide automatically the textbook information from the internet. So you don't have to take your textbook, you get it automatically. The extent of disease actually has prognostic implications and also treatment implications. For some treatments, you need a certain level or certain amount of lung volume to be involved before treatment can get started. And for other diseases, the course of volume changes is of paramount importance. So for us radiologists, it's quite difficult to estimate disease extent based on a CT scan because that's a very complex three-dimensional structure we're talking about here. And so to estimate the volume of a disease is quite difficult. And this is where also automatic analysis of volume and the automatic analysis of changes is of paramount importance. It helps us a lot. As this is difficult to assess, the inter-observer variability is quite high. And we do have some guidelines on how to systematically analyze the amount of lung tissue involved, but we know that there's I would not trust us too much on that. So we have some increments, then present increments which are almost reliable, but in particular when it comes to very minor changes, you would not be able to detect this just by visual analysis of volume changes. I think that context-based image retrieval systems may help radiologists in every level of experience. So for residents, it's a great source to have specific information at their fingertips. And what I like to use it is when I read a CT scan together with a resident, and if I want to explain something, I just go to ContextFlow and get the information provided by the software. So this tool is indispensable to get the information you need for your diagnostic process.